What do I even say about this man? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. So on Stell's birthday this year, he not only gifted us his brand new Facebook hub, but he also said that he was going to post a 4-part behind the scenes look at the making of Room. And I'm so grateful. The funny thing is that this time last year, I was just so ecstatic with having his debut solo single and having his debut EP that I didn't even think that he needed to do this back then. But now that this has been released, I'm like, why was this not released back then? But no, it's really nice to be able to revisit this and a really good countdown to the 1-year anniversary. And I'm just so excited to hear what this is all going to be about. And the amount of self-control that it took to not watch all of these, especially because they're so quick, to save them up so I can watch all 4 of them together with you right now. So if you would have a look at the description below, you will see a link to all the original uploads. They have been served and I'm really looking forward to it. Please can we watch this together? Whoa. Whoa.
In August po, I will be releasing my first EP. Nakita ko naman kasi yung every members from SB19, parang they're doing solo na rin. May mga time na iniisip ko, parang
I'm really sorry, but how could I not pause it here? This is my favourite kind of style. He's chunky, he's hunky, he's very natural and just so perfect.
Kailangan ko na rin bang mag-solo or mag-try? Tapos parang every time na tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, parang hindi ko talaga nakikita na parang ako performing alone. Somehow, nakakaramdam ako ng power na parang hindi, kaya ko to. Ako to eh, parang I can do this and tingin ng tao, kaya ko tong gawin. Kaya dapat may tiwala rin ako sa sarili ko na kaya ko tong gawin. I just gotta have it every day.
I'm Kelly Mangahas. I'm the A&R Director of Warner Music Philippines. And yeah, we're here right now sa Wonder Collab Studios, recording the EP of Stell.
Yung 4 songs na yun, nabuo siya or ginawa siya just to encapsulate yung buong experience ko as an artist. Hindi lang as Stell, kumbaga as member na rin ng SB19, nandun na rin yung experience.
If this had come out in the midst of everything that happened last year, I definitely would have really appreciated it and it would have been very timely. But kind of going back in time and watching this right now, I'm just really, really happy. I'm really glad that we had this to look forward to, even though we didn't really know that we had it to look forward to until just a little while ago.
You got me singing.
Uy! Yeah, you better watch it, Stell.
Nafe-feel ko lang na yung mga songs na nandito sa EP, parang ano siya, tailored for me. Yung Anino, sobrang bagay sa akin. Parang binigay siya ni Pablo kasi feeling niya kaya kong i-deliver yung song. Yung song na galing kay Mr. C, binigay niya sa akin kasi matagal niya nang hinahanap kung sino yung tamang artist na kakanta ng song na yon. And sabi niya, nung nakilala niya ako, doon niya lang nalaman na sa kanya ko bibigay yung song kasi parang matagal niya na nasulat yun. And then yung Room na ginawa rin nila Pablo, it's for me din. Tapos itong classic ni Max, binigay niya rin kasi feeling niya bagay sa akin. So alam mo yun, parang masasabi ko na yung songs talaga, it's really tailored for me kasi habang nire-record ko rin siya, habang kinakanta ko siya, nafe-feel ko na parang ako yun, and nafe-feel ko siyang ginagawa.
That's why it's so good to listen to.
Perform. So parang ganun yung i-expect ng fans siguro na parang the more they listen to the song, the more they know more about me.
Rolling tayo and ayun.
Ngayon pa lang, sobrang ganda na ng mga nakukuna namin. Amazing. Pag maganda talaga yung lugar, maganda din yung videos.
syempre, as a new artist, parang yung feeling is parang newborn baby. Parang ito siya, and sana mahalin niyo siya, parang ganun. Kilalanin niyo siya, parang ganun.
We do.
Kasi parang magkikwento na nun yung songs na and yung experience. So yun na siya.
And also at that particular time, like a time capsule.
So dahil tapos na po ako mag-recording, ngayon naman tinatapos na lahat ng photoshoots for the EP. So yung KB shoot today is for the EP for the whole song. So nakikita nyo to real soon kung ano yung mga ginawa namin. Happy kami na with the songs namin sa EP, meron kaming 3 music video na agad. Music video sa Room, sa Di Ko Masabi, and sa Anino.
Oh my gosh, I love him so much.
Hi everyone! So this is the making of Anino music video. Nandito kami ngayon sa Temecula.
Medyo challenging lang for me talaga is yung acting talaga. Kasi hindi ko pa talaga siya natatry gawin. And hanggang sa, ayun nga, kailangan namin mag-shoot dito sa music video para lang mag-match siya dun sa story ng song.
Di mo lang mapapansin, narito.
We're coming up to 1 year of this, aren't we? 17? 10
Now,
days.
nakaset kami sa music video ni Stel. So, working with Stel, ano lang siya, very fun. Pinagaling din siya mag-act.
He is, he's natural.
Sobrang natural lang niya.
And to everyone na super curious din sa music video, sana mo panoorin nyo ang music video and behind the scenes.
Cut! Okay?
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Dumating yung time na nagkaroon ako ng concert with Julie.
How is it working with Stel? So. Sunod lang.
Actually for me, challenging siya kasi sanay naman ako mag-show, concert kasi nga with the group SB19. Pero kasing iba yung ano with Julie, parang ano talaga eh. Paano ko ba sasabihin? It's not the lights or the LED or the staging that makes the show work the way that it does. It really is because of the two of you.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Sa akin, please. Sobrang takot na takot ako the whole time. Yung 2-day concert na yun, sobrang di ko alam pa. Hanggang ngayon, pag iniisip ko paano ko siya natawid. Pero going back, pag iniisip ko, anong feeling ba yung... Ano ba yung pakiramdam ko during the concert na masasabi kong nagstay during the show from day 1 to day 2? Yun yung excitement talaga.
I'd really love for him to get an opportunity, for them to get an opportunity to do this again.
Talagang guided ako ni God na parang every time nakakaisip ako ng pakulo, nakakaisip ako ng way how to connect with the crowd, the audience. Nakakalimutan ko bigla yung pagod. Nakakalimutan ko yung idea na wala akong tulog ngayon. So parang na-enjoy ko siya and the whole show, wala akong iniisip kundi i-entertain lang yung crowd. And naging successful naman yung show. Sobrang nakakatuwa. sarili ko, kung ganito yung feeling, kaya ko pala. Pero wala pa dun yung idea ng parang creating yung music, performing yung sarili mo music, yung tipong i-explain mo sa tao kung sino ka, ano yung tunog mo.
Hindi lang ako yung gusto ko makafeel nun. Gusto ko pati yung mga tao makakarinig ng music, ma-feel nila na they're empowered kung sino sila. Dapat confident sila kung sino sila. Kasi at the end of the day, sila yung makakapag-define kung sino sila, not other people.
He speaks so well, so intelligently.
Na tipong nagbibiruan lang kami na parang mag-solo ka na, gagawa ng kanta. Parang ganoon kasi siya eh. Ang hirap niyang seryosohin nung umpisa kasi nga hindi ko pa ganoon nire-ready yung sarili ko para sa ganong klaseng bagay. Yung pagiging solo artist, ibang level na kasi yun eh. Like parang natatakot talaga ako na gawin siya or harapin siya. Not until yun nga, si Pablo, si Justin, talagang...
Thank you, Pablo. Thank you, Justin.
Na, sige na, mag-solo ka na.
Hello! What the? Kamusta ka naman?
We would have been robbed a solo style.
Nadarama! Isang diretso lang po yun. Magic! Baby, just Kalabaw! Kalabaw!
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Kasi doon kasi talaga lumalabas yung magandang performance, yung pagka nakaka-connect yung tao doon sa experience mo na never naman nila na-experience pero napaparamdam mo sa kanila. So, masasabi ko talagang hindi lang siya experience ko, kundi experience din siya ng mga tao na hindi ko pa sila nakikilala pero nakaka-relate sila and masasabi kong I connect to them. Kailangan meron akong confidence, dapat meron akong lakas ng loob, dapat meron akong tapang every time I step on the stage. Ang dami ring experiences and realizations yung pumapasok sa akin na parang dapat pala na-consider ko tong bagay na to, dapat pala gawin ko pa to, and then may mga rin, sa susunod, ito naman yung gagawin ko. Parang gano'n, nakakatuwa rin. So, ayun, feeling ko what's next for me is ready akong to explore different side of style talaga. Like, mas dito ko nakita yung sarili ko na parang, pwede kong gawin to. And dapat mag-stick din ako sa core ko na parang, kung magiging balladeer talaga ako, dapat, mahalaga rin for me na mag-deliver ng feelings, emotions. Dapat mag-stick din ako dun sa paniniwala ko na I can do more. Hindi lang ganun. So, parang, next for Stel is, siguro mag-explore ako ng ibang way kung paano ko pa mas ma-showcase yung skills ko when it comes to, of course, singing. And willing din ako to collaborate, of course, with other artists. So, I think, after nung tour, mas nagkaroon ako ng idea kung paano ko pa malalaro yung voice ko and kung paano ko pa mas makakapag-isip ng other sound ni Stel. But syempre, hindi mawawala doon yung parang exploration ng iba't ibang, alam mo yun, na iba't ibang sound, iba't ibang klaseng genre. Pero mas maganda na meron ng isang element na magsistick na kay Stel na parang every time na maririnig nila music ko, parang masasabi nila, Stel to, parang ganun. So, cut.
Don't go! I don't want him to go. Where's the rest of it? It needs to be like at least 24 hours of footage. That's not fair. Can I go back and like pause on, do we get any close-ups in this? We do. I swear we got a real close-up. There. Yes, this is where I want to pause. What do I even say about this man? Last year was such a blessing for us, and I think time and time again, when he talks about his experiences, I forget that somebody of this level of talent perhaps is not so confident. I find that crazy. Sometimes I think that talent and confidence just go hand in hand, and it's just the wildest thing to me that he didn't have the confidence to go solo, or that he was nervous or scared of trying to do something. I think that's wild. But what I also think is wild that through watching this, I've realised actually he really put himself out there last year. He did so many things for a first time. He really, really pushed himself, and I really love that. And by the sounds of it, he got a lot of good out of it as well. And he feels good about himself, and there seems to be more in this area in the future to come. Like, his brain is ticking. That beautiful Gemini brain of his is ticking in there, thinking of ideas. I still to this day cannot put Room EP down. I am obsessed with it. I am just as much in love with it as I was the first time I ever laid my ears on it. And I'm really, really grateful that at that time I was an 18, I was a berry, and that I thoroughly enjoyed that period. Like, I couldn't have enjoyed it more if I had even tried. Like, so much in love with everything that he has given us, so grateful for it, and I really look forward to what he's got in store for us in the future as well. I just really like that he's been so open about his reservations of doing things, or where he's been scared. I think that kind of honesty is rare to come by, especially when you're in this position. I think people put a lot of fake confidence forward, and perhaps that's what I have been used to, which is why I think that talent and confidence kind of goes hand in hand. But I think Stella's really opened my eyes to being talented and channeling confidence when you need to connect with that audience, but also being incredibly vulnerable and putting yourself out there for new experiences, good, bad, and I just love it so much, and I just hope and pray for more and more success for him. The funny thing about Stella is that even before he went solo, he had already made quite the name for himself in the industry, because he's just so lovable, and his personality, and he really lights up a space in a room, and he's so quick at making friends that I think that he already had a certain level of fame and success before he'd even taken this step. I think by the time he decided to take this step, people were like, you can do it, rather than there being a lot of naysayers, where I find a lot of people, where they debut for the first time, a lot of people want to put you down. I think for Stell, because of who he is, so many people had just gathered together and were like, you can do it, Stell. We're so looking forward to what you have in store for us. And I think that's so beautiful. I think that says everything about the human being that he is. And it's quite interesting, actually, because I was thinking about like him being such a strong singer, dancer, his personality, the way that he looks, his physicality, the persona, everything. And I was thinking, I hope and pray that leads him to more and more success. But historically, I would say that if somebody is good at more than one thing, then it kind of, in the eyes of the general public, somehow it gets a little bit diluted, because I think people think, oh, he's good at everything. Of course he's good. He's always been good at singing. So they kind of like forget about him. And I think I've got this sense from you as well, especially from Berries, that sometimes you feel like Stella's forgotten about because he's so good. People think that they don't have to say that he's so good, but it's important to say that, because who has a voice like this? His voice is utterly ridiculous. He is so perfect. And the fact that he dances so well, and that he is this personality, do you know what I mean? I hope that none of that waters the other down, dilutes it, because I want people to love him for as outrageous a talent as he is, but to also understand that his voice is not just it. He does all of these additional other things incredibly well too, and he is the most lovable personality too. This was thoroughly enjoyable, and I will not get into what this man means to me. I love him with my whole heart. Thank you so much for watching this with me. Please do drop me a comment and talk to me about these little episodes. What a treat this was. Honestly, it's so nice to be able to go back and look at it like this. And I can't wait to read all of your comments. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.